here's how you can record the Google Meet on the Android phone with audio, right? So let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course you can use your Google Meet as usual, right? Just connect to all of your meetings or whatever, but the screen recording is a separate feature. Of course, before you start with that, make sure everybody in the call is like informed about it, right? So that everybody agrees with it. But you can go ahead and just access the control center like so. Access the more options, and you can see we have the screen recorder button right there. You should also be able to find it, right? So it kind of depends on your specific phone, but most devices, most Android phones most definitely have that. So you can click on it like so. It's going to ask you how exactly you want to proceed with it, right? So you can see that you can choose the sound to be none, right? Which is probably not what you want. And instead you want to make it either media or media and microphone, because the media is the sound inside of the Android phone, like whatever is happening there, and also the microphone is like you speaking directly into the video through the microphone. So choose whatever you want and just click on start recording, and you can do whatever, including your meetings or whatever you want to capture. So that is how it works. It's pretty simple. So let me know in the comments below if you manage to find it. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming videos as well.